I can't find the back button on iPhone. Then use this gesture to go back while you use your iPhone. This is one of the settings that you need to understand very well while you use iPhone. Unlike Android phone, there is no back button on iPhone. So let's try it how it was. So just open any apps, any settings on your device, go to anywhere you like on your device. Now we want to take a look at the back button here. My iPhone has what is called back button. Tapping on this button, guys, take you back to this place. Now if your own iPhone is not having this, maybe it's not displayed, don't worry, guys. There's this particular gesture you can use to go to back, maybe to move back again. Just put your finger here like this. You swipe it like this, it take you back to the previous page. You can as well do it like this again. You see, from the middle like this, take you back to this page. That is how to use that on setting. Now let's try it out on some browser. Let's take a look at Safari. Now here is a Safari browser. Now here we are the Chrome browser. We just want to visit any website here. Let's try and locate any of this website that will suit us and tap on it and load it. So let's try this one. So now the website has been loaded like this. Now you scroll up. Now to move back again, as I've mentioned, just swipe from here, gesture like this, it moves back. Then if you do it like this, guys, you can see it take it back to the previous page. This particular setting works very well on Safari. So let's try it again on another browser. Maybe it's going to work very well on this browser. Now let's take a look at this Google Chrome. Now here is a website. Let's put our hand here and drag it back. You see it works well like this. It takes us back to this website, and the website is still loading. You can see now. So guys, this is the process on how to use gesture to navigate back button on iPhone. If you get this tip and if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.